So today we're going to be going through an awesome card trick on how to make a card teleport from one pack to another. First we're going to begin with the demonstration of the card trick. So for this trick you need only 8 cards. I've taken a standard pack of playing cards here and I've shuffled them. These 8 cards can be chosen completely at random, and I'm going to do that now. So putting the rest of the deck aside, we now need to focus on just these 8 cards. So I'm going to fan them out for an audience member to go ahead and pick one. In this case we've got the Jack of Spades. From here I'm going to go ahead and shuffle the pack and try to lose the Jack of Spades somewhere in the deck. So now I would tell an audience member that I'm about to split the deck into 2 packs of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I just want you to look out for your cards, the Jack of Spades. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'd go ahead and ask you which pack was your card in. You'd say this one on the right. So I'm going to put that to the side for now. And then we're going to go through this pack. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 cards in there as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this onto the table and I'm just going to snap my fingers. I'm going to pick up that other deck with your card in it, and you might notice something strange. The Jack of Spades is not in this deck, but now I'm going to go to the other deck and I'm going to show you that there are actually 5 cards in this deck. So one has seemingly teleported. So I'm going to go even further here and I'm going to make a prediction. I'm going to try and guess which card from these 5 on the table is yours. So I think this is the Jack of Spades. And there you go. So now I'm going to go through the tutorial. So like I said previously, we need only 8 cards for this trick. These can be chosen by the spectator, just at random, these don't matter. So the rest of the deck can be put to the side for now, and we can take these 8 cards here. So you want to fan them out for your spectator to choose any one of them. So this can be completely random, so in this case it's a Jack of Diamonds. So your spectator, remember this, of course you wouldn't get to see this. And then what you want to do is you want to seemingly lose it in the deck. So you take 3 cards off the top, and you'll place the Jack of Diamonds onto this 3 cards, like so. And then you can just place the rest of the pack back on top. From here you want to repeat this twice more, so you take 3 cards, 1, 2, 3 from the top, and you place the rest back on top. So now when I flip the deck over like so, you'll notice that the Jack of Diamonds, our card, is second from the bottom. So you're going to tell your spectator now that you're going to take 2 piles of 4 cards. So here we're going to do just that, and you'll notice the Jack of Diamonds, of course, in the second position, and this is where the only bit of sleight of hand comes in for the whole trick, and it's really quite simple. So what you need to do is you need to make a pinky break with your pinky finger, so we'll look at it again here. So take that and a pinky break, and then you just want to snatch the Jack of Diamonds with your left hand, so it goes into the other deck. So I'm going to perform that again here. So all this takes is a bit of practice really. When I first learned the trick, all I need to do was just practice it. And you can notice it sticking out there, that's the Jack of Diamonds. Of course, when you perform it in reality, you want it to be flush with the rest of the deck, so the spectator doesn't notice anything. Then you would go ahead and ask your spectator which deck their card is in. They would say the one on the right, and you can just ask them to open their hands and you can place it in their hands. And then you can go ahead and show that there are 4 cards here. Of course there are 5, so with the last card you want to be careful because it's a double packet. So then what I like to do is just snap my fingers, ask them to open their hands, and you can show that there are actually only 3 cards here. You can then go ahead and pick up the other deck, and of course there will be 5 cards here. So the fourth card is the Jack of Diamonds. So what I like to do from here is lay it out on the table like so. So 5 cards, and that fourth one there is going to be the Jack of Diamonds. So you can say you're going to make a prediction, you can pick it up, and there is the Jack of Diamonds.